This is John from Denver, sort of along the same lines, but can you go over what constitutes a dip? What constitutes a dip we should buy in the things we like versus the risk range. For example, XLE the other day was down 5%, but it did not get to the bottom of its risk range. What size moves should we be looking for? I think one thing is, there's no perfection in markets, right? It's not going to, although it does happen quite often, it's not necessarily going to hit the bottom or the specific top. It'll get close.
Yeah, I mean, you have something that's going up. Let's do the opposite of what I just did. We got something that's going this way, okay? That's what, look at the chart of oil one more time. That's what it's done since June. Yeah, there have been some parts in between where you get bigger dips than non-dips. But the whole concept that you're going to have this symmetrical, that's actually not how it works. I mean, the price doesn't always go here, here, and here. Sometimes it just goes like energy just did. It goes here, and the low end of the range is down here. And you're like, I'd like to buy a lot of it down there, but guess what? Everybody who subscribes to Hedgeye would like to buy a lot of it. So guess what? They're front running you. Me too, okay? So again, what happens instead is that it goes like this. Yeah, this is the whole point. Like what you should really be noticing in the risk range and energy is that the next is where this dot is, because that's called higher highs. So every day that it's making lower lows and higher cycle highs, that means that you're not going to get the low end of the range, or probably not. So again, that's where you have to commit. It's not easy. I can't hold your hand and do it. I got to do it for myself and my family. I'm trying to teach you how to do it, right? And I hope you can empathize with that. Before you heard of me or Jonesy Buds, you didn't know what the quads were, you didn't know what the risk ranges were. So I don't think it's fair, given our relationship that's building and getting better every day, for us to say, well, you didn't tell me to buy it right there. Now, you have to train your dragon. You have to buy it in increments that make you comfortable and know that, okay, this is where I'm going to buy it. Look at Bitcoin last week. On this day last week, the number one or two question in the queue was, but we never get the low end of the range. And by like Saturday or Sunday morning, you got the low end of the range. So again, it will happen. And when it happens very quickly. And everything in between is up to you, your risk appetite, how you've decided to size your positions, both as a percentage of your portfolio and incrementally how you want to touch those positions.